What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda. When you're heading to Dagobah, you gotta take some eats. So let's take a close look at what we got here. This is a Resistance MRE. So if you remember, Empire Strikes Back, Luke goes to Dagobah to find Yoda, and while he's unpacking his gear, he forgets, or doesn't forget, he just doesn't know who Yoda is or what he looks like. And so he is met by this little gremlin-like guy, only to find out later it's Yoda. But one of the funny things about that scene, one of the throwaway pieces to it, is that there's an illuminator, which Yoda really wants, but then there's also this little MRE, meal ready to eat, that Luke opens and Yoda even tastes. And so they basically made a replica of this. Now this one came all the way from California, I believe. You can go see the Galaxy's Edge at the Disney theme parks now. And so basically it's a little replica of that, and it's got real food in it. Little plastic container here. We have this like rippled pattern. It's kind of like oscillating waves that are offset a little bit, but it gives you this little translucent cover so you can see everything in there, kind of. But what do we have in here? Well, look, we have lemon candies, cheddar crackers, peanut butter pretzels, pretzel rods, French burnt peanuts, orange jelly beans, mints, chocolate favorite cereal, and honey roasted peanuts. Clearly a well thought out meal for your rebellion fighters. So let's go ahead and just open this up. Now I will say, because it got shipped from such a long distance, from a galaxy away, things in here might not be in very good condition or shape. So what we have is a little plastic piece holding everything in place. And take a look at this. Booyah! There's our lemon candies. Let's call them cheese crackers, but I think those are like Cheez-Its. Pretzel bites. This is what kind of made screen time. It looked like a little breadstick, but obviously there's like pretzel sticks. And then Yoda kind of tasted the one end and then put it back, and then Luke was like, ugh, and then threw it away. Yoda must have had some nasty breath. And the little French things, all this stuff, those look like Tic Tacs to me. All this stuff is just snack nosh. High sugar. Good for kids. Definitely does not qualify as an MRE for survival. Although I guess if you were in a survival situation and I offered you this, you'd be like, yes, I will take that in a heartbeat. But there you go. That's it. Yep. Pretzel stick. Pretty good. If you go to the Galaxy's Edge, I think this thing is like $19.99. So you could have yourself a little snack while you're visiting. But if you want to pick it up, you're going to have to go there. However, you can get lots of other awesome Star Wars merchandise. Check out my link in the description below if you want to pick it up. It helps my channel out. Peter Von Panda, out.